Lifting them out of the box, you can feel the premium build quality. The mix of synthetic leather and breathable mesh gives the upper a nice balance of durability and airflow. And those silver accents. They add that retrofuturistic vibe that makes this shoe even more special. Now, let's talk about design. The Gel-Kayano 14 originally dropped back in 2008, and this re-release stays true to that classic aesthetic while incorporating some modern upgrades. The combination of pink glow with metallic silver overlays creates a striking contrast, giving the shoe a fast and aggressive look, even when you're just standing still. Now, you can't talk about an ASICS sneaker without mentioning comfort. This pair is loaded with ASICS signature GL cushioning technology, which absorbs impact like a dream. Whether you're running, walking, or just rocking them casually, your feet are going to appreciate the support. The midsole is built with EVA foam, keeping the shoe lightweight yet responsive. And check this out, the Trustix system technology in the midfoot gives you better stability, so whether you're hitting the gym or the streets, you'll feel locked in and supported. If you're looking for premium quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices, repsneaker.net is the place to be. They offer a vast collection of sneakers from top brands like Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, and ASICS, giving you the best styles without breaking the bank. Whether you're after classic designs or the latest trends, repsneaker.net has you covered. We understand that online shopping can be tricky, and that's why we want to assure you that repsneaker.net is a legitimate and trustworthy website. Don't just take our word for it, you can find reviews and customer feedback on Trustpilot, where real buyers share their experiences. This transparency ensures that you can shop with confidence, knowing you're dealing with a reputable seller. And now, here's the best part. Use our exclusive discount code, RSNOW, at checkout to get 15% off your purchase. These sneakers originally cost $118, but after applying the discount, the final price drops to just $100.30. It's an unbeatable deal, and you won't find a better offer elsewhere. So why wait? Grab your favorite sneakers now and enjoy premium quality at an affordable price. One of the standout features of repsneaker.net is their dedicated support team. Whether you have questions about sizing, shipping, or payment options, their friendly and knowledgeable team is always ready to assist. They ensure a smooth shopping experience from start to finish, making sure you get exactly what you ordered without any hassle. If you're a sneaker lover who wants the best quality at the best price, then repsneaker.net is your go-to store. Click the link in the description and start shopping now. Let me know what you think about these in the comments. Are you feeling the pink glow colorway, or do you prefer something more subtle? And don't forget, if you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next sneaker drop. That's it for today's unboxing. Thanks for tuning in to Rsnow Unbox, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.